Okay, good night. This is my YouTube channel about fish farming. First of all, about the video, I have some comments. One of those is that the fish can supply the necessity of protein for all the globe. Also, it can fulfill this expectation even though the population continues to increase. The fish use their resources more efficient than other animals such as beef or pigs that they can do. They can convert 1 pound of food into 1 pound of meat in their bodies. Technology is so developed that we can recreate their habitats in a few feet of space in a little area of ocean. Instead of using extensive areas of land that can be used for other purposes such as crops for the alimentation or feed for humans, we can use space of oceans to create them, to raise them. Then, I have two points of view about my critical thinking about the topic. Even though we can feed many fishes as we like with good planning, but we are using another animal insects. Through the years, we have only seen that the insects are such as a plague for our crops, but many of them are really important for the ecosystem. They have a role or a job in that feed chain that we can never affect. With aquaculture, we don't need to cut our forest, but using their foods for our goals is as equal of bad. Frogs, birds, small mammals eat insects for them to survive. What if we take their food? The guy in the video talks about using flies, just flies, for many amphibians. Amphibians also ate flies. Spiders also ate those flies too. And other large animals ate this animal. Only by using the flies for feeding our fishes in the aquaculture, we're interrupting a whole food chain. With this, the survival of any animals is endangered. Also, if this method is so efficient with low cost, who could continue to produce the other type of meat? We're gonna be out of meat if we don't take care about the other animals. Other farmers will change the way to raise their fish, and with that it comes the overexploitation. This will become a huge problem to the pollution. It will start, and this time will not be in land, it will be in water. To us, that not be in land, and it will be in one of our most important resources, the water. You can say that we are not drinking water from the ocean, but remember that the rainfalls start in the ocean, so the next step will be that the rain will be toxic by the many chemicals and waste of food that we throw to the fishes. And then, if they do their necessities in those areas, we are going to contaminate our rivers and lake. When the water cycle starts, those chemicals and residuals of toxins will evaporate to the atmospheres, making some cloud that will provoke or start a acid rain. So the demand for fish will continue to increase, so the producers also will continue to increase their produce, and the fight for the sea border also could be a problem for the future. We also need any source of water because that is the source of life in the earth. Thank you for listening my critical thinking about fish farming. Good night.